Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wondered how to truly dominate in PUBG Mobile, but on a bigger screen? Well, playing on your Windows 11 PC unlocks a whole new level of precision and immersion. You gain superior aiming with your mouse and fluid movement with your keyboard, offering a distinct advantage. Forget struggling on small phone screens. It's time to upgrade your battleground. This is the only officially supported way to enjoy the game with confidence. When it comes to playing PUBG Mobile on your PC, there's one official path you need to know: Game Loop. This isn't just any emulator. It's developed by Tencent, the creators of PUBG Mobile themselves. That means you get a perfectly optimized experience, complete with proper key mapping and smooth graphics. Best of all, using Game Loop keeps you compliant with game rules, so you don't have to worry about account issues. Getting Game Loop onto your Windows 11 PC is straightforward. Your first step is to head over to the official Game Loop website and grab the installer. Once downloaded, simply run the executable file. The setup wizard will guide you through the rest of the process, which only takes a few moments. Make sure your PC meets the recommended specs for the best performance. It really makes a difference. With Game Loop now running on your PC, installing PUBG Mobile is a breeze. Just open the Game Loop application and look for the Game Center. You'll find a wide selection of games there. Simply search for PUBG Mobile, then click the Install button. Game Loop handles everything else, downloading the game and setting it up automatically so you can jump into the action quickly. To truly get the most out of your game, take a moment to customize your keybinds and graphics settings within Game Loop. Finding what feels right for you will significantly improve your gameplay. Remember, sticking to the official Game Loop emulator is crucial. It's the only supported way to play, ensuring your account remains safe and secure. Now, go enjoy the ultimate PUBG Mobile experience on your Windows 11 PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.